In the world of cybersecurity, operational technology, OT, and industrial control systems, ICS, stand apart. Unlike IT, where data confidentiality reigns supreme, OT prioritizes availability and safety. A cyber incident here can lead to catastrophic physical consequences. Legacy systems in OT environments often lack modern security features, making them vulnerable. These systems, designed decades ago, are difficult to patch, leaving them exposed to potential threats for extended periods. Ransomware and phishing attacks are prevalent threats in maintenance systems. These attacks can encrypt critical data, halt operations, and demand ransom, severely impacting system availability and safety. Supply chain attacks and remote access exploits pose significant risks. Compromised third-party components or unsecured remote access points can serve as gateways for attackers, jeopardizing entire systems. Network segmentation is crucial in OT environments. By isolating critical assets from less secure zones, we limit attackers' lateral movement, containing potential breaches and safeguarding operations. Implementing strict access control and identity management is vital. Adopting a zero-trust model ensures no user or device is implicitly trusted, enhancing security through role-based access and multi-factor authentication. Data encryption and robust logging are essential for maintaining data integrity. Encrypting data at rest and in transit protects it from unauthorized access, while comprehensive logging aids in incident investigation. An OT-specific incident response plan is crucial for quick recovery. Regularly testing this plan ensures preparedness, minimizing downtime, and mitigating the impact of cyber incidents on operations. Man-Win-Win CMMS supports cybersecurity best practices by centralizing data management. This reduces data fragmentation, enhances integrity, and provides comprehensive audit trails for better security oversight. Automation in Man-Win-Win reduces human error, a common vulnerability in security. By streamlining processes like work order management, it minimizes manual intervention, enhancing overall system security. Man-Win-Win optimizes workflows, driving operational excellence. Trusted globally, it offers solutions that enhance maintenance management, ensuring efficiency and security in operations. Join the Man-Win-Win community to elevate your maintenance management. By integrating their solutions, you'll not only streamline operations but also fortify your cybersecurity defenses. Let's secure the future together.